He was driving around the block. Yay! That's my baby. Uh-huh. It's really windy right now. So many dogs. Hi, Pipa. Having fun, baby? She rarely rides her car these days. For a minute there, she was actually scared of her car for some reason. I'm not sure why. Hello. Now she loves it. Whoa, she's taking off. Here, catch up with her. There you go. Can't go that fast. Let me see if I can get in front of her. Whoa. Okay. Make sure there's no one I'm bumping into. Hi, baby. Almost got hit by a truck there. All right, mommy's walking with you. Yeah, it's probably better that you stay side by side with her right there, since I have to film from back here. Oh, you see the dogs? I'm going to try to get in front of her again. Go backwards. Alright. Hi, baby. I know the sun is behind her, but... Alright, passed right by me. Yay. Having fun? There you go. So not only is people getting some entertainment, Mommy and I are getting some exercise. Dogs right there. There's actually a lot of dogs in this neighborhood. A lot of stray dogs too. Maybe see if there's any cars over there to the left, because we're about to turn left. No cars. Yay. You're driving so good. Got the remote control right here. Yep. It's like I'm playing a game here. Uh-oh, she's a little too fast. I gotta catch up with her. Okay. Say hi. Say hi. So windy. Whoa. Say hi. You see the baby? Uh-oh, we gotta... Say hi. Hello. Oh, someone behind us? Thank you. Hey. Hi, baby. See if anyone's on the going to the left here. This is the first time I'm actually I'm using a harness right now. A harness that's actually strapped to my chest. And so I'm kind of like constantly looking down and making sure that I'm framing the shots perfectly. I mean, and I gotta watch where I'm driving too, because whoa! It's for the safety of my little girl. Wow, Mommy gave you a flower. Can I see your flower? Show Daddy your flower. Whoa. Nice walk. This is the weather that I like. I like this kind of weather. Not too hot, not too cold. Nice and breezy. It's cold for the Philippines too. Never thought I would say that, but the longer I stay here, I'm starting to get cold easily. I don't think I need a jacket, but uh-oh. Look at your friends. Say hello. Say hi. Oh, we forgot our mask. Anyone behind me? Did you check? Oh, you see the flowers? Dogs everywhere. It's not that I don't like dogs. I mean, I love dogs. I love animals. But it's definitely not under control around here. And there's just a lot of stray dogs, which I'm not really used to coming from the US, you know. The worst part is when you're trying to go to sleep and the dogs are just barking like crazy, and the owners, I guess, are just used to it. Say hello. Look, she has a doll. She has a doll just like you. Say hi. Hello. You have to say hi. Mommy has to learn how to drive this thing, so. Alright, I'm going to try to get in front of you again. Yay. It seems like it just goes. Let me go on a lower, slower. There we go. Wait, let me know if someone's behind me or if I start. Yay. Are you sure I'm not running into anything? Hi, baby. You having fun? Hello. Okay. Yay. Okay. Go a little faster. All right, don't hit anyone. Don't hit anyone, people. Hopefully this new microphone that I have is blocking all this wind. Actually, just hoping that it's working. Okay, let's look both ways. Any cars? Mommy's not helping us. Here's the sun. We're gonna turn. Actually, we'll go down the next one. Wow, oh, you see the bird that just went right past you. Look at the cat. You see the cat? Okay, we're going to turn here. Okay. So this just kind of gives you an idea of our neighborhood. It's just a cluster of houses that look all the same. I think our place where we're living looks a little different than all these other houses that you see here. We have a corner lot, and we actually have a yard. Most importantly, I think we have space for a portable pool, which I just couldn't see myself living in one of these other places here. They're just, it's too cramped. And if everyone, Arlene and I were talking about this, and if everyone actually owned a car here, that would be crazy, because look, I don't know if you can see, there's not very many places to park your car around here. There's definitely not a parking space for everyone. If there was, there would be no lane for anyone to pass by. Look at the dog, Peepa. The dog on your... Oh, it's gone. It's gone home. Oh, there's one in front of you too, though. See the dog in front of you? We're gonna go the back street, because the one main street that we're living on is too busy. Too many cars. Is that a tricycle coming behind me? Motorcycles coming. We're gonna stop here for a minute. Let the motorcycle pass. We're gonna go straight ahead. Actually, we could turn right, and then we'll turn right, and then we'll go left. Whoa! Banana trees right in front of you. Say hello, say hello, say hi. Say hello. One time we brought the car to the market, and that was fun. Look at the dog. Whoa, you ready? You ready to go? You ready to go? Are you cold? Okay, say bye-bye to the camera. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Right here, the camera's right here. See? Right here. Okay, we're gonna go. Bye-bye.